Cooking up special moments. Mastering the phrase, cook a special meal. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a delightful phrase that's all about bringing joy and flavor to our lives. Cook a special meal. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also add a sprinkle of culinary magic to your conversations. Let's get started. At first glance, cook a special meal seems straightforward, right? It involves two key concepts: cooking and being special. Cooking, in its simplest form, means preparing food by combining ingredients and heating them. But when we say, cook a special meal, we're adding a layer of importance or significance to the act. It's not just any meal. It's prepared with extra care, thought, or for a particular occasion. This could be a birthday, an anniversary, or simply to make someone feel loved and valued. Cooking techniques. To cook, one might boil, bake, fry, grill, or use any method that transforms raw ingredients into a delicious dish. Understanding these techniques can help you picture what goes into cooking a meal and appreciate the phrase's depth. The special ingredient. What makes a meal special isn't just about the food's taste or quality. It's also about the intent behind it. A special meal is crafted with extra attention to detail, whether that's selecting premium ingredients, adding a personal touch, or catering to the recipient's preferences. It conveys a message of care, appreciation, or celebration. Across cultures, food plays a crucial role in bringing people together. Cooking a special meal can be a universal language of love and respect. This phrase embodies the idea that food is more than sustenance. It's an expression of affection and a means to create lasting memories. Whether it's a traditional dish passed down through generations or a creative fusion of flavors, a special meal can bridge gaps and strengthen bonds. Let's put our phrase into action. When you want to express your intention to prepare something extraordinary, or if you're discussing plans for a significant event, this phrase is your go-to. For example, I'm going to cook a special meal for our anniversary, or my mother cooks a special meal every Christmas. It's a versatile phrase that can add warmth and depth to your conversations about food, family, and celebrations. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the phrase, cook a special meal, with us. Remember, cooking a special meal is more than just about the food. It's a heartfelt gesture that nourishes both the body and soul. We encourage you to try using this phrase in your conversations and maybe even take on the challenge of cooking a special meal yourself. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning. Bon appétit and happy learning!